Alright, I'm going to continue to tighten this up, these stitches. So, as you can see, I've got the loop, and all I do is I force this, not too hard, we don't want to break the string, but that loop is going to be followed around, look at that, all the way down. You don't want to break the string, you don't want to cut the string, you don't want to do anything to the leather, of course. Now just kind of continue to go around here and let you watch. See how that's shaping it up, tightening that whole seam up. Now if you look, these guys down here on the floor, let me see if we can get a shot of them. That is a, well, probably pushing 2.5-year-old moccasin that's fur lined, just too hot for the summer. And if you look, you can really see that that template that I used is very similar to that moccasin. So, that's how I did it. That's how I made the template. Was I kind of eyeballed it and traced it out. And now I'm just going to continue tightening these stitches. Whoops. I'm going to continue tightening them, and we'll come back when I'm done.